Hi guys, my name is Zaman and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to share with you a Seat Cupra R that I have here, which I'm introducing in this video. But at the same time, before that, I've done a little montage of what you guys are going to expect on my channel. So without further ado, here's the montage. The car comes with a few modifications, one being a fully welded roll cage that's been designed and fitted by Garage 24. So let's take a closer look at the roll cage itself. And then at the front of the vehicle. So let's take a closer look inside the car. The car comes with the racing bucket seats from Curbio. It's got the OMP 4-point racing harness that I believe goes very well with the suede OMP steering wheel. You also have an oil pressure gauge, an oil temperature gauge, and also the turbo boost gauge. Let's take a closer look at the engine bay. This car comes with a 1.8T. It also has the uprated race intercooler from AirTech. It's also got forged boost pipes. It comes with uprated injectors. It also comes with a ram air filter induction kit with the forged dump valve. It also has uprated engine mounts. It comes with a H&R sway bar. It also comes with AP adjustable coilovers all round. Braided hose pipe. One pipe that comes down to a 2.5-inch pipe, mid pipe that leads to the Cobra back box. Looking at the rims of the car, they're basically ZF ones. They're semi-forged. They're also wrapped by Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, which are fantastic on track because they're semi-slick tires, but they're not really good in the rain. It also comes with a 4-pot brake caliper, which has been fitted with EBC blue stuff. I've showed you guys and introduced you to the car. Now let's take a closer look at starting the car and seeing actually what the fault is with the car. So you can see you've got your engine management light on, the traction light on. To run diagnostics, first what we're going to do is find the OBD port, particularly on this car. It's been relocated to the center. So let's run the diagnostics. I'm going to run a health report. Put the mass or volume airflow circuit low input. The error code is P0102. That usually relates to a faulty air mass flow sensor. In some cases it can also be a faulty wire. At the same time, I see that in the brake electronics module you have engine control module ECM 01314, which is related to the engine management light. In our case, you got the faulty air mass flow sensor. We're going to clear the fault codes and just see if we start the car, if the fault codes disappeared or is going to reappear. Everything's cleared after the initial test drive. Clearing the fault code, the same fault codes have popped up. Mass flow sensor, that's made by Bosch. I believe so, an OEM part. So let's open it up and check it out. There's one of two ways we can do this. Either by actually removing the sensor here, which is allocated with some screws, and literally just take it off from there, unplug it and take the 2 screws off there and plug it in. But I prefer to change the whole unit. I feel it's much better just in case it's got grime build up from before, which can also cause the sensor to also go faulty. All we need for this particular job is a ratchet, an extension, and a 7mm socket. We're going to loosen the Jubilee clip. We're going to loosen the other Jubilee clip. And then we're also going to remove the air mass flow sensor plug. The old air mass flow sensor has been removed. We can see the original one's Bosch that was on the vehicle. Fitting this particular air mass flow sensor, what we need to do first is make sure that it's fitted in the correct direction, because the airflow that's going in is going into the turbo, so it's being sucked in. It has a sign on the actual air mass flow sensor. This air sensor needs to be fitted this way. We're going to fit the air mass flow sensor. Make sure it's snug so there's no air leaks, because then that will also pop up a fault. Tighten one side of the Jubilee clip, making sure it's snug. And reattach now the air mass flow sensor connector. Make sure you hear the clip. Now what we're going to do is run the diagnostics again and clear the fault code, then take the car for a test drive. Now we've done the test drive again, we've run the diagnostics again, and nothing's come up, so the car runs sweet.